Hello everyone, this is Paula here. I am here this morning with two more of my music build it yourself journals, music book cover journals, because it's not just all music. But I just wanted to do a fast quick flip through with you because these are they're the same layout as the other ones, only it's just got different pages and some of the same ephemera, just a little different. But yeah, I'll get right into it. This one is the Song of Songs, and it's got original handwriting of someone on here, and it has two signatures like the other with a rubber band closure. This one actually is from Seattle, close by where I live, and this is what the whole cover looked like. I love it. So cute. Two signatures. This one was built a little differently because I was having a busy day and I forgot to sew the signatures in after I did the spine, so this one was done before the spine. And this is also made from that painter's paper, the spine is. And on the inside, I have a different pocket here with the bird on it. It's beautiful. And in here, I used a lot of Tsunami Rose, and oh my goodness, these are so pretty. Look at that. This is one of her file folders. So gorgeous. I love these. I just stuck it in this way so you can see all the pretty flowers. And on the inside cover, I used the actual back of the book cover for the inside. And I hated covering up part of it, but I wanted to put a pocket here. So, and this is one of her cross year-to-date monthly things. And I love these so much. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty together. I'll link her shop below where you can get these beautiful little items. She has some pretty things over there. This is just a bag flip with a big old tag. And we have book page, coffee dye paper, and I have some Tsunami Rose floral pages in here, and they are to die for. They're so pretty. I love them so much. And I will link, like I said, I will link her below. Most of everything in here is, a lot of it is Tsunami Rose because I just think it's so gorgeous. And then this little tag, that is her. And over here in this pocket we have, this is one of her old ones, and I love this one too. And in this book, the pockets are glued down because, like I said, I sewed the signatures in before I did my original thing. So this one is just a little different layout. But it's got all the same pretty, it's got a big tag back here. That's Tim Holtz. The pockets are the same layout. I don't know why I can't get that in there. Because if I had the book this way, I could do it. But it's got the same kind of layout as the other ones. Let me take everything out of the first pocket. This is the first one. Like I said, tucks behind there. I don't know if I can get this all back in the same. I think this is Tsunami Rose as well, actually. One of her postcards. And one of the paint sample things. And a card, or an envelope. And this is a Tim Holtz lady card. And we got this little, I can't remember where that comes from. I don't remember. And then we have this tag, and I put, oh, this little doily. I think I had that up there, like so. And this doily goes down here. We have this journaling card, which I'm going to put behind the doily. I could take it all out and put it all back in. It's going to all be different every time. Yeah, and this has got some of that film topper on it from Tim Holtz. And then these two little cutie patooties. And I just tucked them in like that. And that's how all that ephemera lays in there. Like I said, you can do it differently. This is some of the music page from one of the covers. That's a back of one. Oh, look at this. Is that not so pretty? Oh my gosh, I love it. Tsunami Rose. All of those flower ones are from Tsunami Rose Florals pages. They are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. That's her as well. We have, this is a pocket that can be used, and you can tuck in here and back here. She can glue it down, and you can tuck back there as well. I just put it in here, and that can be her. She could put it wherever she wants it. Oh, so pretty. I wasn't going to do a video on these, but since I used all this amazing Tsunami Rose pages, I just wanted y'all to see this. And this is the sample of snippet pages like the other ones had. It's just a different layout. But yes, I really wanted you to see these beautiful pages from Tsunami Rose, because they are amazing. And it's got a tag back there. Then this is just full. I won't take all this out. That's another pocket. This flips out. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I love it, love it, love it. So pretty. Here's a little pocket and a flip. There's another page. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Another tag. A prayer tag. And a ticket. Or a calendar monthly. This one's different flowers. It's so pretty. And there. And then we have a Rae calendar piece. Just some different pages in this one. Oh, that's so cool. I love that. This one is glued down. I don't remember where that came from. That's old and out of my stash. And there's that layout. I won't take it all out because it'll take me 10 years to get it back in there. I just want to make sure there's nothing else back there. Another little big old tag. So pretty. I love the way that looks like it was spilled on. I love that. And this is a big doily folded in half, and I just left it so they could put tags in. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. And over here is a little pocket with a tuck spot behind it. And then there's the pocket. I just put some muslin behind there and sewed that on. This is from, this Trina made, and it's so cute. It's got tags here and here. It's made out of one of those little bags. Isn't that cute? And then in the back it's got tags here and here. And this can be folded like over a page like that and flipped. But I just stuck it in the pocket so she could put it wherever she wants it. And this flips out. Look at that beautifulness. I love that so much. I love flowers. So pretty. Another tag there. Excuse me. And this is her tickets and her little, what do you call those? Word tiles. Aren't those? My printer took a dump for a minute, and so this didn't print out as vibrant as they really are, but they are still super duper cute. This is just a flip up and down. And a little tag. This is her calendar library cards. So gorgeous. There. Little flip out. And then this beautiful layout. Nothing behind there. And another one of her Psalms 9, 9, 10. And then some of these old vintage stamp things. A little flip down. Some more music paper. And this one, I printed one of hers out on vellum, and is that not so gorgeous? Oh my goodness. This is one of her flower pages on vellum. So beautiful. Let's see. And we have the 4 paper snippets right here. Snippet clusters. There's some there. And back here we have another Mark's 835 and this beautiful one. Oh, this is almost one of my favorites because I love pansies. So gorgeous. And that is that book. And they come with the little closure. And it comes with a bag of goodies. These are both spoken for already. I just wanted to do a little video, quick flip through. I'll just do a faster flip through with this one. It's another gorgeous one. This one I did correctly. That is the cover. And I will do a super fast. I won't even pull the stuff out of this one. But this flips open. Here, I'll do that for the first one. And here's hers extra pocket. And I just clip that in there. Come on. Like so. I just wanted you to see these gorgeous Tsunami Rose pages right here. Ooh, they're so gorgeous. There's another one. Is that yumminess right there? I'll tell you, yumminess. And here is her first pocket full of yumminess. And they all have pockets behind. And if they don't, they'll have a belly band. This one right here, I'm going to put a little something in there. And this is a pocket and a pocket. Here is some of her black and white pages. Geraniums. Oh, I love that. And here's a vellum pocket here. So pretty. And this is her little sample bundle right there, and this one has two glassine bags to go with it. I love that. I love the noise it makes too. I'll go a little faster, and there is the other little doily flip. Let me see if I got anything to put in there. Let's put this in there. I don't know why I forgot to put some stuff in these pockets. Well, I don't have to, but I always just feel like I need to. A pocket, and then there's her other side of her stuffed yumminess. And here is a little pocket here with a little index card and a tag in there. Over here we have this pocket and a little tag. Look at that. So bold. So gorgeous. Another one of Tsunami Rose pages. And this is her bingo cards. Aren't those amazing? And I just made a little booklet out of it. And this is her envelopes right here. And it flips over. It's just got some pages inside. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Can't say it enough. And another one of her pages printed on vellum right here is a pocket. Two tags here. I didn't glue that down. What in the world, Paula? You don't have to glue it down because it ain't going anywhere, but I just feel like I have to. Another beautiful floral page. Another pocket with index card, or library, whatever you want to call those things. Here's another one of Tsunami Rose's pages. Daisy did amazing on those. I absolutely love those. Absolutely love them. Could just sit here and pet them. Pick the flowers. They look so vibrant on these pages. I don't know if it's coming across in this video, but there is one of her gorgeous envelopes. Which is so pretty. Another one of her library cards. Oh my goodness, you guys have to go get this if you don't already have it, because they are beautiful. Here is an old vintage letter, and the letter is inside with a big journaling card. And this flips open for journaling. And there is the other beautiful stuffed envelope. I tried to use different pages and papers. Oh, love it. Another pocket. So pretty. I have to pet it. This one has another pocket right here that can be glued down. This flips open. And then back here. Come on, fingers. is her Melinda tag and some of these very old stamps pages. And that is that one. Put the little band on, and she comes with her goodies. Thank you so much for watching. I will link Tsunami Rose's shop below, and yeah, don't miss out on those beautiful pages because they're amazing. Have a great day. Bye-bye.